Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You saw that ghost? You saw that ghost that was running through my house? Guess what? It's not real. You know what it was? It's just a simple effect that I did in Premiere Pro. See, not only that, I am going to expose a lot of fake videos, I'm gonna try to teach y'all how they do it. So let's jump into Premiere Pro and take a look on how I did this trick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are in Premiere Pro, and you can see my footage here. I'm walking across the room and I hit the wall like a drunk person. So what you want to do is create a mask. So let's get this way back in the beginning right here. So you want to create a mask. It's gonna be a little rough mask. It doesn't have to be perfect. Let's do this. Now, once that's done, you want to lower your opacity to about 20%. Because remember, ghosts are see-through, transparent, and you just want to give them that little bit of hint that they're there. Now, as far as your mask, you want to feather it out just a little bit because it gives it a cooler effect, like it's fading out, or your ghost or your subject is fading out. So then you go to your stopwatch where it says mask path, press that. Now you're just going to move your mask all the way across. Now it helps if you have like a costume on, because they'll know, oh, it's you. So right before you hit that wall or whatever object you want to walk through, kind of make that mask halfway and feather out just a little bit more, and voila, he walked right through a wall. So let's do a playback on this and see what it looks like. Right around here you can see my foot, so we're just going to adjust this a little bit more this way, and let's do a playback one more time. Oh. That's good enough for me, huh? Let's feather it out just a little bit more. Here we go. One more time. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you make a fake ghost. Teaching y'all how to identify these fake videos. So you can sit there and go, man, that's fake. That's fake. Oh, he did this. He did that. He used that in Premiere Pro. He doubled this and he doubled that, and After Effects. So that's what I'm trying to do. I am trying to open y'all's minds and open your eyes to see how fake these videos are. Now, ghosts can be real, UFOs can be real, and all that stuff. I'm just trying to educate y'all on what's real and what's fake, and how to identify the fake videos versus the real videos. You get what I'm saying? Because I've said it before, and I'm going to keep on saying, this world's going crazy as it is, and people will actually believe everything that's on the internet, especially like TikTok. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. If you don't like it, send it to an enemy. If you like it, send it to your enemy and your friend. All right? Don't forget, hit that like and share button and that bell button. All right? Peace out. I'll see y'all next time.